y'all, I am back with another video. Hey, y'all, welcome back to yet another video. What is up, y'all? What is up? I'm gonna get straight to it, y'all. I'm sure you clicked on this video because of what it says in the title. Y'all, I got my hands on the TELFAR wallet. The TELFAR wallet. Real quick before I unbox this thing, okay? I had my eye on it. I said I need it. Yep, I said I need it. Okay, I deserve it. Okay, and I'm gonna support my guy. Y'all, my phone failed me. Normally I order through the app. Normally I order through Instagram, which pre-fills everything as well as my Apple Pay. Y'all, I got a new phone, completely forgetting. So when I ordered and was trying to order the Avrel wallet, I keep saying purse, so excuse me if I do, but we're talking about the wallet, y'all, that was just released day before yesterday, okay? Y'all, it was sold out. I literally I had to run, get my wallet, plug in, and punch in my debit card information. That delayed everything, y'all. Mind you, it's 12:01, okay? Got to the Avrel color. I'm like, yes, yes, yes. Punch my code in. Sold out. When I go back, everything that's on there is sold out, but the mint green, the yellow, and the black. I went to the yellow. By the time I click on it to put it in the cart, sold out. By the time I go to the mint green, same thing. All that was left was the black. But I am so grateful because you know what? I was thinking I probably should get the black. Being that a lot of my bags are small, I don't know how big the wallet might be in a small bag. It's bright pink, it's bright blue. You might see the wallet and easily take it versus a black one. I just say that to make myself feel better. I still want the Avrel color, but it's okay. I still got my hands on one, y'all. And I know a lot of people are probably very upset that they didn't. So I'm gonna be grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. Y'all, so this is the box. It comes in a little baggie and it has the little barcode there, and it says TELFAR black. Y'all, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, so here is the pretty old box. This barcode and the SKU says the same thing like on the bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. Y'all, I am super, I'm unboxing with y'all now. I'm unboxing with y'all now. Do y'all hear the angels? Okay, they are singing. Y'all, how beautiful. Let's get it out the box. It's so cute. It is so adorable. OMG. Look at the zipper. It has the little signature there on it as well. Look at that. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open it up. Really cute. We're gonna see if it can fit easily in the small as well. This is so cute. So cute. I think it's really, I'm gonna compare it to another purse that I have that I actually got from Target, like an average purse, but it's no bigger. A little filler in there. Let's take that out. And this is it. So the zipper, so it, oh, hold on. There's also a foam thing inside of the part that the money goes. So let's take that out. All right, y'all. So it's 3 compartments. Let me show you guys this. This is the inside. This is how it looks on the outside when it's open. And this is the compartment on the inside. Opens kind of wide too. Because we gonna be getting money, 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 money. All right, y'all, so I am back. I went ahead and got my cards. We're gonna test this wallet out. So what I like about it already is that it is enough space in the money part. You know, sometimes some wallets are so stiff that you have to kind of like cram your money in there. This is very much so open. Look how easy that is. It snaps right back. Okay, and then it's 3 compartments, card compartments on either side. This is what I use right now. It actually belongs to my fiance. And what annoys me with it is because I have to fold my money, which is obviously why it's considered like a man thing. I like my money to be, you know what I'm saying, keep it straight, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's test this out. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cards. So, ooh, I didn't even notice. So the card turns sideways, honey. Because as you can see, this is, you put it inside this way. The wallet, you put it, let me pick the right card, should I say. So let's do this card. So this is, it goes sideways, which I did not realize. So that's kind of cool. So let me go ahead and fill this up. Now the only thing is, I mean, I guess, because I was gonna say that if it had like a window for your license, but it kind of doesn't make a difference because normally you have to take your license out anyway, right? I mean, not that you get pulled over, hopefully, but usually it's license and registration, right? Or let me see your ID at the club or whatever. Let me see your ID when you go to the bar. So you have to take it out rather than just holding it up. So I can see why the window isn't needed. So I'm putting my debit card on one side. I'm putting my health insurance card on the other side. I'm putting my driver's license right here. And we're gonna keep it cute and classy and put it on the side where it has the TELFAR logo, and then my Costco and BJ's. The compartments aren't too loose. It's not hard to get it out. It slides right in, right out, slides in, slides out. So that's cool for a new wallet too, but yet it still stays in. So it's nothing, it's not super tight, but it's not loose either because nothing is sliding out. And then I do have with my license another card behind it, but for everything else, it's 1 card per slot, which is really cool. Let's go ahead and try the money. Let's see, because that compartment is kind of open, honey. So I mean, I ain't got a lot of money right now, you know what I'm saying? You know, I just want y'all to watch this video to try to help me to get some money. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put these funds in here. Let's see, like so. Oh, it's so cute. There you go, right there. And we're gonna go ahead and close. What I do like about the money part as well, I can fit a few receipts in there because I don't know about y'all, but I like to put receipts in my wallet until I can go home and like actually like look through my, this is so pretty. I'm so excited for the black. I'm not even kidding, I'm so serious. Y'all, this is so cute. So I went ahead and got my Target wallet, you know, the basic, I don't mean to say basic, but your average wallet. It has the window compartment. It actually has 1, 2, 3, well no, 2 slots here and then 3 on this side, and then it also does have this part for the money. The only difference with this one, it does have the change part, which can get overbearing, and I usually I'm stuffing it and then the zipper can't close. But compared to this wallet here, which is the average wallet, it is a clip snap button. This is the TELFAR next to it. So of course the shape changes, but for the most part it's pretty much in the same, yeah, it's definitely your average size wallet for sure. And now the true test, and this video is pretty much done, honey. I went ahead and got my mint TELFAR bag. I don't think I even did a video on this, but I do own a medium-sized TELFAR and 2 small TELFARs. And yeah, right, I have the dark green. Go ahead and check that video out. I will link it in the iCard. And then I also have the yellow in the mini. This is the mint green here that I have. And I'm gonna go ahead and see how far does the wallet fit. So we're gonna go ahead and test it, and I think it's definitely a perfect fit. There you go. Perfect fit, y'all. Absolutely no problems. Let's see if it can snap closed. Probably not. So it cannot snap close because of the height. Let me see if I turn it, put the longer part to the bottom, and then it still cannot snap because of the wallet. I mean, you can kind of like force it in. Yeah, no. Let me put it to the side. I turned it to the side. So I'm trying to see, and it still cannot. So the height of it is a bit higher than the actual small. Obviously it can fit in the medium and the large TELFAR bags, shopping bags, but you still cannot see it. And with it, like, depending on how you carry it, there's no way, you know what I'm saying, you can't see it unless I turn it over like this anyway. So it works for me. All right, y'all, so if you made it this far for this unboxing of my TELFAR wallet, thank you guys so much. I have my new baby. This can go wherever it wants to. This can go anywhere it wants to, darling, because now I have my wallet. Is it the color I wanted? No, but actually I'm super amped that it is the black as my first purchase. You know, you gotta go with the classic colors before everything else, but I'm really, really happy with my purchase. It's still flat. Obviously more money you put in there, yes, you know. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Y'all, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.